How to delete account on MacBook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can delete accounts on MacBook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the process of removing a user account from MacBook is irreversible, so be sure to back up your Mac before deleting any user account or any user data. First, you have to go to the Apple menu and choose System Preferences. Then select the Users and Groups Preference panel. Click on the clock icon in the lower left corner and authenticate with an administrator login as usual. Now select the account of the user that you want to delete from the Mac and press the minus icon button, which is at the bottom left, and hit the delete key with the user account you want to remove after you've selected them. Now you'll be presented with three options when deleting your user account from the Mac, and choose which is appropriate for your situation. That is, deleting the user account but save the home folder to a disk image, or delete user account but keep the user home folder in users directory, or delete user account and delete the home folder. Optionally, you can also choose to erase home folder securely, and this completely removes the user account and that other files apps from the Mac. Then check the appropriate box and click on delete user to completely delete the user from the account from your Mac OS. And if you choose the option to completely remove the user account and the user's home folder, any and all files and apps in that user's home directory will also be deleted. If you choose one of the options to preserve the home folder, it will be located in the users folder or the deleted users folder. Now that's all it takes to delete your account from MacBook. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.